Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a QuickBooks account. Creating a QuickBooks account is your first step into managing finances professionally, whether it's tracking income, expenses, or running a business. But here's the thing, during sign-up, you'll be asked to make decisions that actually affect how you'll use the platform later. Open your browser and go to quickbooks.com. Then, at the top right, click Sign In. From the drop-down, choose QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks has multiple products. QuickBooks Online is cloud-based accounting, and this is what most users need. Now, you'll be directed to a sign-in page, but since you don't have an account yet, click Create an Account. You'll be taken to the sign-up process. Now, you'll see 4 plan options. Each plan offers different features. Examples include Simple Start, Essentials, Plus and Advanced. Pick the one that fits your needs, then click Choose Plan. Don't just pick randomly. Higher plans equals more features plus higher cost. Start simple if you're unsure. You'll be asked to add payroll. If you don't need it, select Continue without payroll. Payroll is only needed if you pay employees. Since it adds an extra cost, it's not necessary for individuals or small setups. Then enter your email address, password, and phone number. This creates your login credentials. Email is your account ID and the password is your security. Check the agreement box. Then tap Create an Intuit account. What happens next? Your account is created. You may need to verify your email and you'll be taken to your QuickBooks dashboard. What you just did. You accessed QuickBooks Online, selected a plan, skipped or added payroll, and created your Intuit account. That's a complete account setup. To summarize, creating a QuickBooks account involves going to QuickBooks Online, clicking Sign In, selecting Create an Account, choosing a plan, skipping or adding payroll, entering your details, and creating your Intuit account. The key is choosing the right setup for your needs. And that's how to create a QuickBooks account. The steps are simple, but the choices you make during setup matter. Take a minute to choose the right plan and options because it'll save you time and money later. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.